Have you ever stopped to think about time? Not just checking your watch or setting an alarm, but really thinking about it? It's this invisible force that rules our lives, marching forward whether we're ready for it or not. We're always trying to manage it, save it, or wish we had more of it. It's the ultimate currency, isn't it? We spend it, invest it, and sometimes we waste it. Think about it this way. Every single person on this planet gets the same 24 hours in a day. The richest person, the busiest student, the quietest retiree, we're all given the same daily allowance of seconds and minutes. What makes the difference is how we choose to use them. It's both incredibly fair and incredibly daunting. Sometimes, time feels like it's playing tricks on us. Remember those long, endless summer days when you were a kid? A single afternoon could feel like a lifetime of adventure. But now, as adults, a whole week can fly by in a flash. You blink, and suddenly it's Friday again. Why does our perception of time change so drastically? Scientists say it's because when we're young, every experience is new, and our brains are processing so much information. As we get older, routines set in, and our brains don't need to work as hard, so time seems to speed up. It's a fascinating and slightly terrifying thought. This brings up a big question. Are we living in the moment, or are we constantly living for the future? We work hard for that future vacation, for retirement, for the day when things will finally settle down. But in doing so, we often miss the beauty of the present. The taste of your morning coffee, a conversation with a loved one, the feeling of the sun on your skin. These are the small, precious moments that make up the fabric of our lives. If we're always looking ahead, we risk letting the now slip through our fingers unnoticed. I think one of the biggest anxieties we have is the fear of running out of time. We have dreams we want to chase, places we want to see, and people we want to spend more time with. This can create a lot of pressure. We feel like we need to be productive every single second to fill our calendars to the brim. But maybe the secret isn't about doing more, but about being more. Being more present, more intentional, more mindful of how we spend this precious resource. Let's try a little thought experiment. If you knew you had an unlimited amount of time, what would you do? Would you still rush through your day? Or would you slow down and savor each experience? While we don't have unlimited time, we can adopt that mindset. We can choose to stop multitasking for a moment and just focus on one thing. We can put our phones away during dinner and truly connect with the people across the table. These small shifts can completely change our relationship with time. Instead of seeing time as an enemy we have to beat, what if we saw it as a companion on our journey? It's the river that carries us through life. We can't stop the river, but we can learn how to navigate it. We can choose to fight against the current, or we can learn to float, to steer, and to appreciate the scenery along the way. The past is a collection of memories, lessons learned, and stories that shaped us. It's important to look back and reflect, but not to get stuck there. The future is a realm of possibilities, dreams, and goals. It's essential to plan for it, but not to live in it at the expense of today. The present moment is the only place where life actually happens. It's where we feel, where we act, and where we truly live. So, how can we make the most of our time? It starts with awareness. Pay attention to where your time is going. Are you scrolling endlessly, or are you learning a new skill? Are you worrying about things you can't control, or are you investing your energy into what you can? It's not about judging yourself, but simply about understanding your own patterns. Then, be intentional. Decide what truly matters to you. Is it your family, your creative pursuits, your health, your community? Align your time with your values. It's okay to say no to things that don't serve you. Saying no to one thing is saying yes to something else that might be more important. It's about consciously creating a life that feels meaningful to you, one day at a time, one moment at a time. Time is the great equalizer and the ultimate gift. It's the canvas on which we paint our lives, so let's make it a masterpiece. Let's fill it with color, with purpose, with laughter, and with love. Let's not just count the days, but make the days count. Thank you so much for spending some of your valuable time with me today. I hope this gives you something to think about. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this. I'd love to hear your thoughts on time in the comments below. Until next time, take care.